Wow, very big flag of USA. Look at it. Oh, tayong-tayo. Okay, this one is Mystic River Part Office. Ah, look, oh, they also have fishing here.
Fishing.
Yes, there you go.
We're at the Creamery. Trying to order.
Yes, guys, ayan. Welcome to Mystic, Connecticut. Yeah, there you go. Narating din namin. You know, almost half day drive from New York to Connecticut. And then we having also problem sa aming sasakyan. Na-broke in sasakyan namin. Yan. Buti na lang, smart yung pamangkin ko. And then she fixed everything. So dito ang part nila. Yan. Look, still there, the sunset. There you go, the sunset. And look at this steamboat here. Look, and the yacht. Look at that yacht there. Wow, beautiful.
Ice cream.
Kasi ito, mga tao rito.
But parang maliit lang siya na na
Yeah, this is like a small town and it's just it's so pretty.
Small town?
Small town lang dito.
Ng, oo. Pilipino to din, oh.
Pero ano siya? Pero popular na siya.
Yeah.
Ang dami pumupunta dito.
Mystic Part ice cream here. And that is Monitor Part. Yes. Aileen, nandun ang restroom if you wanna go restroom. This one's Kenji Foods here. And that area is the Mystic River Highway Bridge. Over there, yeah. And that's Kuya, oh, he make fishing. May nakachop ka na, Kuya? Pwede na natin lutuin. Prituhin ko. Nakahuli ka na ba ng bangos? Tilapia? Charot. Look at this cute toffee chocolate wafer candy shop. Okay, that one also. Greetings from the Mystic. Ayan, oh. Ayan. The Mystic River is an estuary.
oh, dito ang ganda oh. Kita mo yung mga
Mystic late in 18th century here. Here in Mystic, transporting salt clay, 1986. And then this one, Fontellons Ida, I take from the across of the river. And then this one also, John Warmer in 1836, courtesy of Connecticut Historical Society. This is the earliest view of Mystic in 1830. And this is the steamboat wharf in 1896, taken from just across the river, looking of your left here, over there. And transportation, yeah, tapos na. This one is West Main Street in 1886. 1866. So looking just across the bridge and the right, and the main street over there. So this is all the history of a Connecticut society here in Mystic, Connecticut. Okay, one more.
I'm gonna do this right. Oh, that's pretty. Close.
Nagyayat sila. Oh, look. Wow, beautiful. Oo, yun oh.
So, nire-rent ba yan?
They rented that one. Is it rented?
The
They
boat?
rent the boat?
I'm not sure.
It's their own?
I think they own them, right?
They own it. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Sarili da.
So this is the Mystic River Park, Mystic Network, Market Team, Mystic Soup and Salad. So all of this one guys, so andito lahat if you wanna go shop. So this one also is the Protect Mystic River. So it depends on the choice and your time. So this one also Mystic Fish Camp Restaurant. So if you wanna hungry, go and grab it na. So guys, we are here already in the downtown. Yeah, that one is the ice cream homemade. And that one area is the Central City Hall here in Mystic. So here, Mystic Sweets and Ice Cream. The best sweet Mystic. So this one guys, you wanna buy some accessories and jewelry. Look at that pearl, choker pearl. Wow, lovely. That's amazing. I love it, mermaid. There you go. So guys, we are here now exploring here in the downtown of Mystic, Connecticut. The Mariner Restaurant. So we are here now in the West Main Street here in Connecticut.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you go. Just give me stuff. We're still like browsing down here. I'll probably get some.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this carpet.
We've been driving the whole day.
Oh, this is Odie. Odie, hello. Wow, look at that tub. Wow, look at that one. Mystic Pride all week long, June 21 to 27. Downtown Mystic here. They are celebrating some parade here.
Mystic parade.
Yeah, the Mystic Parade later. This one guys, oh, Mystic jacket. Oh, I see it's some plate over there. Yung ano ko. Oh, yan oh. Wow, lovely the chip. Okay, this is Tesla. Okay, if you wanna buy some souvenirs here guys, or displays at home. I love it this. Wow, lovely. This is my favorite. This place. This one is good. What? So we are here also in the souvenirs book. So if you're a lovely reader for books, you know there are just way words. Thank you. Oh, that's lovely. I like that hat. Hi, dog.
Alexia,
So handsome. Okay, what time is it now? The bell is ringing. Look at the bell. Wow, Tudor. I love it, Tudor. Luxury, Tudor Geneve. Here is the public parking. You go to Mystic Museum of Arts. Over there. Oh, ang ganda ng bahay doon, no? Kusina of Pantheon.
I think I need a reservation.
Yeah.
Probably like 1 more hour, like 9 maybe. And then we wanted to be in the dock, like you can see the ocean.